Visible Mobile wants to give you their service for free. That's right, for free. It's the easiest try before you buy trial I've ever heard of in my life. And in this video, I am going to show you how to set it up step by step. Plus, I'll answer any other questions you might have about any of the little details like how long, am I capable, is my phone compatible? And I'll tell you a little bit about Visible themselves. Without further delay, let's get to it. You're watching WhistleOut TV. I'm Sherry Riggs. Do you like the free things? Do you like free cell phones? Great deals? Well, if you like those things, then like this video, subscribe. There'll be more coming your way, that's for sure. And I'm done with the shameless advertising. Like this, like that, subscribe here, subscribe there. Let's move on to the real meat of this video, which is, what is the deal? How is Visible getting away with this? Well, I'm not quite sure, but it is a great deal, so let's get into it. As if Visible wasn't low risk in the first place to try out as a cell phone carrier because their plan is so cheap, it's even more low risk now with their 15-day free trial. That's right. If you want to switch carriers or you're wanting to test something out, you're not stoked with what you have right now, you want to pay less money, who knows? Whatever the deal may be, Visible is offering you to try them out 15 days for free, but there are a few caveats, so let's go over those before you get too excited. This 15-day free trial will take place as an eSIM trial, so your phone has to be eSIM compatible. And there is another caveat here. You also have to have an iPhone. Not just any iPhone, it has to be an iPhone XS or newer. So I have two phones, right? I have an iPhone X, doesn't make the cut, and an iPhone 12 Pro, which does. So if you have anything from XS to iPhone 13 Pro Max and anything in between, you are good to go for this free trial promotion. If you're an Android user, I'm so sorry, this promotion is not for you. However, Visible is such low cost, and if you jump on their Party Pay plan, then you can pay just $25 a month to test them out for 1 month, and that's not a bad deal. You can learn more about Party Pay with this video up here. The other thing that will keep you from potentially using this trial is if your phone is not compatible with their network. So you need to go to Visible's website and check their compatibility checker to see if your phone is qualified to be on their network. Your phone will also have to be unlocked from your current carrier, which means you might have to pay it off. Or if you're like me and you keep your phones for a long time, then your phone might be paid off already and then your phone is likely unlocked. And if you don't know how to unlock your phone, you need help there. Got videos up here to show you how to do that. Your phone's unlocked. It's compatible. It's a new iPhone. Like this baby, like this 12 Pro. What next? How do we set it up? Let's get to it. First, you're going to need to go to visible.com and search for their free trial or scan this QR code on screen right now or go to our website. There's a link in the description or you can check it out up here. So there's multiple ways to get there. You got this. I believe in you. Once you have the QR code in place, open your phone camera, scan it, click the notification, and it will open up to the page you need, and it will likely send you to an app that you need to download. Once that app is downloaded, then we're good to go. So here is that tutorial right now. Step by step, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Okay, so once you scan that QR code or go to Visible's website where you sign up for the 15-day free trial, it's going to ask you to download their app, which I have already done. So this is the free trial, 15 days of unlimited data, no payment required, etc., etc. Visible network, obviously that would be Verizon. So let's start, let's go. I'm going to begin the trial setup. Allow while using app. So now it's asking for me to find my IMEI. So to do that, you need to go to your settings. Once you're in settings, you're going to want to go to general and about. And this is where I'm cutting you off so I don't have to block out all of this information about my phone. But you just scroll down on this page and you will find it. Okay, friends? And that's going to ask me to copy and paste my IMEI in there, which I have done. So this is just going to check to see if your phone is compatible with the service. I checked ahead of time using their compatibility checker, so this should work. And let's see. My phone is compatible. Yay! I already knew it, but it's nice to be validated. Am I right, ladies and men? Okay, so let's continue on. And then this is going to be boring, so I'll skip past it, but we're going to enter my first name, my last name, my email address, and the password I will use. So fast forward. Okay, so I signed up, my phone's compatible, I put in my email address. Now it's asking me to go to my email to confirm this setup. So let's do that. Okay, so now I'm in here, Visible. Hey Sherry, to enable your Visible account, confirm this email by clicking here. Gotta wait for about 45 seconds to a minute, and then it will have it validated. Then we come back and we press continue. So now it's gonna find me a phone number. So I'm gonna put in my zip code, and it will get me a number with the right area code. Oh, now we're setting up your Visible free trial. This shouldn't take much longer. This is really exciting because I haven't had a chance to test out Visible yet, so I am really looking forward to the idea of testing out their data speeds, their 5G, all of that. Okay, so at this point it has now downloaded. Now I just need to install it onto my phone. From here, after this happens, I'll be able to label my plans primary and secondary. I will keep my AT&T plan primary, and I will make this my secondary plan, or I will rename it something custom like testing Visible. But we will get to that in a second. So right now I'm just gonna press continue. And we're gonna do add cellular plan. There we go. So current plan labels. My label for my OG plan is primary, and I'm gonna make my Visible plan secondary, as you can see. So it says secondary and primary for my AT&T plan, secondary for my Visible plan. This just means that this is what they are called. I can assign different actions to each number. If I want my phone calls to be rerouted through Visible, I can do that. If I want to keep everything the same, I won't touch any of the customizable options in the back end, and I probably won't do that. I'll just manually switch between primary and secondary when I want to test out data speeds and the like. So I'm gonna press continue. This is my default line. Your default line is used to call or send messages to people who are not in your contacts. My default line is going to be primary because it's my AT&T line. That's where everyone contacts me anyways. I'm not going to change any of that up. But if you wanted to, you could make your default line secondary or Visible. iMessages and FaceTime, I'm keeping it all primary. So I don't want my Visible line. I'm just testing it out, so I don't want anything to be on secondary. I'll just manually switch in the back end. What was that option? Oh, that allows for cellular data switching. This little flip, I don't want to flip that because I want to be able to test them separately. I don't want my data switching between the two. So I'm going to just click done. I'm going to use my primary line as the preferred line for all the reasons I have stated before, and press continue. Cool. So we did all that. Welcome to Visible. We are here and we are ready to test out some data speeds. Continue to dashboard. Lovely. Okay. So I have 15 days remaining on my trial, and this is what the homepage dashboard looks like. I'm really excited to get going. This is how you set it up. And let's get back to me in front of the camera now, shall we? Cool. I hope you guys got that. I hope it worked for you. A few other things to note. You can't be a Visible customer and take advantage of this free trial. I know, it's a bummer. Your friends can, your family can, but you cannot. And another thing to note, once you use this free trial, you can't use it again for another 12 months. So keep that in mind. As much as we all would love some free Visible service in our life, it can only happen once a year. And the last thing to note is that you will be assigned a cell phone number in your zip code from Visible Mobile. If you decide to join Visible, you will get to keep that number. So it's not really a perk or anything. It's just a good FYI, a good thing to know. I hope this video helped you out. If you want more from me, let me know what you want to see in the comments. I'm Sherry Briggs. Thanks for watching WhistleOut TV.